I'm gonna go get another glass. Here, hold this open.
Tabby, look at me. Was this a good idea, Tabitha? Look at me. Look at me. Tabby.
Here's some more water when you're done with that.
Tabitha, look at me. Was this a good idea? Be honest, stop it.
I can't.
Now look at me. Are you going to continue to follow your brother and your sister's examples? What? No?
Talk.
I don't think she can.
Throw up.
Go ahead, do it.
That was actually it.
Fiona, you're not right.
Want some more water?
You are not right in the head.
I'm not laughing. You know, there's some more water here.
Look at me. Look at me. Are you feeling better yet? No? Stop laughing.
Here, baby, here's some more water. You want to do the Lemon 7 challenge next?
Stop it. That's enough now.
You saw that look, right?
Oh, there we go. Good job. Get it out.
You're better than Dave. Here's
So-
some more water.
Look at me. So the next time your brother and sister get a bright idea into their head and decide to take the cinnamon challenge, are we going to try and mimic them? No. How many times have I told you you can't do what the older kids do, right? Because they're not bright, right?
Thanks for calling me stupid.
Have we learned this lesson now?
Talk.
Speak. What?
Yes.
We're not going to do this again, right? All right. Finish throwing up.